And I'm Elizabeth Haggerty, and this is our game, Stock Market Challenge. So, to play, you start off by pressing the green flag, and it brings you to an intro page, which says Stock Market Challenge. So, you have two options. You can either start the game or go to an introduction. In the introduction, it gives you information about the stock market and just base level information that would help you play the game, what it means for the trading, like what it means to buy, what it means to sell, and just about the stocks in general, along with information about what on the portfolio page, like what that all means, as well as just general instructions for our game. So since I'm walking this through, we're just going to start the game. So it brings you to a main menu where you have the option to trade, research, check portfolio, or go to the next day. So on the research page, it shows you the 10 stocks. You have the option, 6 stocks and 4 ETFs. Our introduction explains the difference between the two, but you can buy and sell them just the same. So you can click on them and it gives you information about each one. And we're just going to return to main menu. We're going to go to trade. On the first day, it gives you the day one news. The news is something you'll utilize to decide which stocks will be good to buy, which ones you should sell on that day. The whole purpose of this game is to make more money than you lose. So you start off with $5,000, and we are going to invest in, let's start with Apple. So it gives you the cost per share, the number of shares you have, the total share value, purchasable shares, how many you can buy with your total cash value, and then also the total accounts value. So we want the total accounts value to be higher than $5,000 always. So we're going to buy, so you just click on either buy or sell. So we're going to buy, let's buy 30 Apple stocks. So you just type in the number 30 and click enter, and it refreshes, telling you how many shares you have, the total share value, and then also changes your total cash value, which shows you how many you can buy. So you can buy, let's go to, let's buy this one. Okay, so we're gonna buy, let's buy 80. So, do that refresh. Okay, let's go to Pfizer. Let's buy 20 of these. General Electric. Let's buy 25. So that's good for today. We can, I'm just going to walk you through and see what happens. Okay, so we're just going to go to the next day, and on the next day, it gives you the news for that day. So on day 2, the iPhone 6 is now available in stores. Maybe we should invest in Apple more. Okay, so you just click on the page to move on back to main menu. We're going to check our portfolio. So this gives you the last price, which was yesterday's price, the percent change, the current price, the number of shares you have, the day gain, how much the stock gained in a day of like money, and then the total gain, and then the total percent gain. So Apple was a good investment. G wasn't as much. We lost money on that one. We also lost money on Pfizer. So let's go. So just click on this to return to main menu. We're going to go to trade. So let's buy a few more Apple shares. Let's just buy 5 more. And let's buy some gold, maybe? Oh, we already have some of those. Let's buy Bank of America. Okay, you sell stocks just the same way. Let's do we have? Let's just sell these. So we can sell, just sell 10 of them. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next day. It's gonna give us the news. Microsoft created a new search engine. Maybe we should invest in Google. Okay, so we can check our portfolio for the day. So Apple went up again. That's good. Total percent gain is 14%. Cool. Okay. Let's go to trade because then we can see. Let's go to okay. Oh, see, we can see that we are up $331. Woo! Go us. Okay, let's go to main menu. And we're just going to go to the next day, just so we can get to the end of the game, and I'll show you what else the game is. So there's an iPhone 6 surplus in stores. See, these news stories are just to help you know how the stock market's going to react and when to buy and when to sell. So maybe we should sell our Apple stocks right now. Let's do that. Let's sell Apple. Let's just sell 30 of them. Let's go to my menu. Let's go to research. Check the news for the day. Okay. See if you see. Sorry, I clicked out of that too soon. The housing's increased in value. More houses are being built. Maybe we should invest in something that would. Let's invest in Bank of America with all the money we just sold from Apple. Let's buy 120 of those. Okay, main menu. We're going to the next day. So this is the last day, but it says the housing market crashes. So we should probably, let's check our portfolio first. Let's see the increases. Oh, Apple did go down, so that was good. We sold a lot of those. Bank of America went up. That was a good call. Oh, would have been good to invest in the gold. So the whole thing with this game is by playing, you can play more than once, and each time you'll learn when is the best time to buy and sell, and you can keep playing to earn as much money as possible. So let's go to trade. Let's sell our Bank of America stocks. So see, we made more money. Okay, let's sell these. Let's just sell like 150 yeah, of them. And then we're going to invest in, let's just invest in Google. So each stock, these aren't the real stock values. We used stock values that were moderately proportionate, but we wanted to give a better set of numbers that would be easier to learn with. So with $5,000, you can still choose, like, there's more expensive stocks like Apple and Google, and then there's cheaper ones. So which ones are best to invest in? If you want to put all of your weight in a higher priced stock, then you can do that, but you'll have less shares in that. So it gives you a lot of opportunity and choices to make, which is really good when learning about this, especially since it's not real money. So let's buy 25. Okay, so we're gonna go to the next day, which is the last day. So congratulations, you succeeded and made money in the stock market. So total accounts value is, oh, we only made $99. Let's check the final portfolio and see why. So Google that. Google actually went down the last day. That was a bad purchase. Bank of America, because of the housing market crash, that completely bottomed out. So we probably should have sold all of our shares in that. Well, this gives you a good range of what it means for each thing, because these were last day's stock prices, and now these are current prices. So if you played again, you could probably tell which ones would be best to completely sell and which ones when you should buy, and you can see how much money you can make. Let's restart the game and see what happens if you lose. So let's start the game. We'll invest in Bank of America and just go through the 5 days and see what happens. Okay, so let's go to Bank of America. Since we know they, at the end, fail now, let's just buy 10. Okay, main menu. So we're gonna go next day. News. Go to the next day. News for these days. The whole thing is you have to figure out which news stories correlate to which stocks. So that's another learning lesson. We explain that in the introduction as well. So, okay, we're going to the next day. Okay. And then here's the last day. So, better luck next time. You lost money in the stock market. So we lost $120 by investing that. So here's the portfolio at the end, even though we only invested in one stock. But I hope you all learned something about the stock market and enjoyed our game. So thank you very much for watching.